What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. Our my viewers and subscribers and my beautiful, fabulous, splendacious, amazing-nacious subscribers are where you at? Guys, a whole heap of sitting going out here. Whole heap of sitting going out here. Some we can't believe, some we did expect, some we didn't know say it go happen. We just never know say it did go happen so quick. Guys, whole heap of rain a fall out a door. Whole heap of rain out a door. Welcome guys to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How no do? How no still? No? Alright? Guys, remember, you know, if you don't feel any pain at all, check the doctor, go to the doctor, call the doctor, make the doctor come at your house if you have the money, but if you don't, no worry yourself, we go call somebody. Then go come get you. And also guys, domestic violence is just something where I get out of control and we need to at least talk about it. Also, guys, wellness check is good to do. So that means you can check on your friends and your family and know that them are right, know that them having a wonderful time, because mental health crisis is something that we shouldn't run jokes with. Another thing, guys, if you live in a community and you know somebody in the community who have a past history of doing anything towards young people, young kids, let people know about it. It is safer to let people know about it. So that means can look out at everybody's eyes. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, what a dilemma. We know see what happened over Drankertown. Drankertown is falling down, falling down, falling down. Drankertown is falling down. Yes, guys, Drankertown a fall down. Drankertown a fall down. And guys, me want to say something about the falling down of Drankertown. I am wondering, before me going where me are going, I wonder, you see, if that video that Kitta make that video for a specific reason. And Drankertown, me I wonder if you don't realize what Kitta did. Kitta make that video specifically to tell all of you out there that you all is a mess. Dirty. Yes, that's exactly why she made that video, you know. Because if you and her was so much, all of you and her was so much of a close band, she would make that video. And listen to me good now. When she made that video, she wasn't thinking about none of you. She was thinking about herself and what you all caused to happen to her. Because guess what happened? Narry know all those things about her from whenever time they happen. Nobody never knew any of this until all of you drag her out on the media. Hold on a little bit. Me hear you know, I say, how at the mugshot makes she come out. Only hear what Jackie say. Jackie say, Krista, aka Kitta, never did have to come out on social media, no matter what. She never did have to come out on social media. That's what Jackie said. And that's the reason why me I make this video, because this video is a video where me want Jackie to hear. Because me I wonder to myself, with the amount of thing that Jackie said in her video about Kitta, aka Krista, it kinda rattle me heart a little bit. Yeah, it kinda rattle me heart a little bit. Because how you is using the words that Narry used out of his mouth towards Kitta. You're using the same words that Narry used towards Kitta. Now back at Kitta friend Rumram, the shit in a truck, two-tongue. Rumram, how come you're using the same words that Narry used and Kitta and Rumram? Oh, do you realize that's what you're doing? Do you realize that you are doing? The same word, the same things that Narry use and say towards Kitta is the same things you come out here using on Rumram. You see how hypocritical you is? You see how hypocritical you is? And then all these things that you are saying and can say more is what Narry said out of his mouth. And you said, I calling it to you, when name the shit in a truck guy there, say, oh, you bitter, you mad, you this, you that. But you say, Kitta mad because Kitta use hammer going towards Narry with the baby in him hand and mash up the Tesla. You never mash up no Tesla. So my question to you, Jackie. So all these things when Narry was talking about, smartly under the quiet, you sit down and observe them and use your head and work out and realize that Kitta was wicked. Kitta was a monster. But you never say nothing. You never come out and say anything about Kitta is a monster until now, because Edmund Dranko, aka the president, aka shit in a truck, aka carry two tongue, aka tongue long up here, come out and say something. Now is the time that you feel that you should say these things. Why didn't you stop as a mother? Why didn't you stop as a wife? Why didn't you stop as a grandmother? Why didn't you stop and think about these things that time and say, you know what? I think these people are wrong for doing these things to these people. Why didn't you stop then and say something about it? But no, you continuously beating AK and Narry, even though you realize within yourself that something ain't right. But no, because Edmund Dranko call you to the front of the class, you want to tell Edmund Dranko say the Leo in you now come at the front of the class, but you go talk where you see Kitta in Kitta long time. So why didn't you talk about these things that time? That is my problem. That is my problem about where you come out and talk. You see what I say? You also say, oh, Kitta Aginal, Kitta Alayad, Kitta Adis. So why you just say them something long? No. Why you just say them things now? Why you didn't say them long time? Why you did not say all what you said in your 2 videos a long time ago? Listen, my viewers and my beautiful, splendid, fabulous subscribers. Big up to the big up crew. Cause remember me tell you, say, you know what you do. The most peacefulest crew on the YouTube street, a big up crew. Remember me tell you that. Remember that. Big up crew. No. Me hear them talk. Say you no go fall. And you no fall. No matter who no try to call no meeting and try to see if you no can make up it back, you know. Cause all when you know talk to one another, you no fall, you no burn up. You no burn up and sun up over there. Back to you now. Jack, by the way, people, if you no reach this far in the video, please me I beg you to like the video, thumbs up the video, share the video, comment on the video, and me I beg you to watch the ads them. Listen man, me want a little money man. Watch the ads them so me can get money from YouTube, Google, a big company man. Sure. Watch the ads them man. Oh no, go answer. Me can get some money. What do you want on my video? Say $2. Want the whole video? $2. Because you know now watch the ads them. Sure. Alright, me go back to this lady here. You have all this to say. No. Listen now, Chucker. No make me talk. No make me talk. Hey, Chucker. You may come out. So my question to you. You so hot and mad and upset because Chucker called you to the front of the line. But my question to you still remain. Why all these things that you're saying now? And look how long Narry talk them. So that means when Narry talk them, you put them in your skull and you hold them in your skull. But why didn't you come out and say something as a mother, as a wife, as a woman? Why didn't you come out and say something? But no, you come out and say something because the shit in a chuck, two-tongue boy, rattle your feather. The shit in a chuck, two-tongue boy, rattle your feather. So that's why you come out now, ready for talk. You could have come out and say something. Just like how you say something now, because you're big and bold and you're bad and you nobody can take you are your own queen. So that means you could have said something. But you didn't say nothing. Because you hate AK so much. That you will do anything to make her life miserable. But you don't see AK. AK I live life. AK I fly. I go to Jamaica. Hey, and the little idiot where you support go make video I talk about AK what? Confused or something why she a travel go to Jamaica. How she part she live? How part she come from? At Jamaica she born and go where her mother there? Her mother down there. Live your life a while. Live your life, AK, because now is the time for you to strive. Live up your life and enjoy your child. Live your life, AK. That's our Rodney I say. Live your life, AK. That's our big up crew I say. Live your life a while. Live your life because live your life, AK. Live your life to the fullest. Now make none of them stop you. Remember me tell you. And listen me. Live your life a while. Hey, me I tell you, hey, people, I cannot tell you how much me laugh these last days. I laugh these last days and I tell you the truth, my head I hurt me. I couldn't make no video. I couldn't make no video yesterday. I tried to make video yesterday, I couldn't make none. Because me just cannot believe. And this is the reason why I work alone. This is the reason why I work alone and I do my thing by myself. I see somebody write a comment and I hope you are listening. If you are listening, I did answer you. I see somebody write a message in a one video I post. Comment. Say, oh, AK and Narry send me mugshot. Let me say this. I don't have to. Me not have to. Me not have to. But make I say this. And normally me not do this. Me not take oath. But I go take a oath. And my kids, my mother, my dead father, me everybody. I have never have dialogue with AK. Never have dialogue with AK over no phone at all. No phone. Me and AK never have a dialogue over. No email, no nothing. I have never talked to AK. I have never seen AK. I don't know how AK look out after the video. That's the only way I see AK. Narry is the same thing. I have never communicate, contact, try to contact AK or Narry, none at all. Because there's no reason. Because I know when me know and me have when me can get when me use. But all I know out there. I have never contact those people. That what you call it? That mugshot that all of you is talking about. Because guess what happened? Hold on. Listen me good. You see what happened? And not one of you is taking accountability for action of bringing Kitta to the front of class and then spit her out because get all you want out of her, so not have no time for her anymore. And that's what Kitta see. And that's what Kitta see and realize. And when Kitta go a Guyana, Kitta realize, because Kitta families talk to her and say, and no sense. Sister, I use you, chew you up and spit you out like chewing gum. And she realized and said to herself, but that's true. Because take all her information and she was the one who was getting beaten. Meanwhile, left her and gone. No realize that happened. But none of you is taking accountability for what happened. Here do. Because of the mugshot make Kitta come out. Because of the mugshot. But see, Jackie said Kitta never did have to come out. Jackie herself said Kitta never did have to come out to say nothing. But the mugshot, back to the mugshot. Who know I said the mugshot was what make Kitta come out, guys? Watch the rain in fall. Be a rain fall out there, guys. Be a rain out there. Whole heap of rain. But this is the thing. Not one of you is saying that you are the ones that bring her out. But hold on, me have something for you. Me shouldn't say not one of you. Because one of you say it out of your mouth, That's coming up in our next video. But guys, this is the thing. You know I talk about mugshot and how Narry and Alicia can give me mugshot. None of them not give me no mugshot. Me get that mugshot myself. Because guess how me work? Once somebody said something, I start to immediately make calls. Immediately I start to do my research. Immediately I start make checks. Because that's how I work. That's how I operate. Why you think me get so much information? Why you think me have so much information? Because that's how I work. I do not take information too much from people. I did it one time and the information was incorrect. I didn't vet the information at that time. Me here, hold on a little bit. Let me jump a little bit into this. Me here one, but me name, you know what? I should name say nothing. Because me no name Silver Fox. Because guess what? Me no change people name. Because me have a right to call anybody name. As long as me not call it wrongfully or with anything that is not correct. Me can call anybody name. So me can call anybody name. So you see the one we name the mixed breed. Me say me hear mixed breed say. Uh-oh, slippery road. Me hear mixed breed say. Guys, the road slippery. Yeah man, the road slippery, so me have to take me. Me hear mixed breed over there. I say, oh me. Say things where me don't know nothing about. But mixed breed, let me tell you something, see? Mixed breed. This is just something I said to you. Just a little something. Me see you go on vacation one day. Yeah man, me see you go on vacation one day. And why you go on vacation that time? Why you go on vacation that time? You and your wife. Green. Mr. and Mrs. Green. Why you go on vacation that time? Oh, school out. School out so you can go on vacation. Anyway, I don't have time for you. Your waste matter. Anyway, then say fire there must still and think a cold breeze. Them also say shouldn't trouble never trouble you. Alright y'all. Me go on about my business here. Back to Jackie. Jackie. All these things wanna see happen. Could have prevented if uno just leave AK alone. Uno drag out Kitta out here. And when uno drag out Kitta out here, Kitta whole entirely dirty life come out. Uno no realize what uno do to Kitta. Eh? Uno no realize what uno do to Kitta. Uno drag Kitta out here and the whole of Kitta dirty laundry just come out pack in front of our eyes. And uno expect Kitta go continue to deal with uno. Eh? Uno expect Kitta go continue to deal with uno. Eh? Uno expect that. Oi. But all me need uno to do is sit down and wonder and think, why did Kitta say uno must leave married people business alone? I never big up. Hold on. I never big up crew. Kitta talking. Kitta wasn't addressing me. Kitta was not addressing me. Kitta was addressing you, Drankertown, you, Trucker, you Vibes with Rosa, you Vibes with Studio, you Jackie, and that little multicolor one over Canada. What's she name? What? I can't remember for her name because she name exists in my brain. Me can't remember for her name. Me never remember what she name. So I go call her multicolor. Every time I see her, she have different complexion. Say them a bleach out them kin, them a bleach. Feel look like. You look like what? Black like a tar. Black is beauty. Oh yeah. Guys, you see with me, huh? You see with me. You see with me. Anyway, back to the conversation. Jackie, you know all these things. You see it for yourself. But you never do nothing about it. You never do nothing about it. And now you come out and go on like. Now you come out and go on like you are attacked because them say something about you. This is the reason why me I tell you say we're not ready. You're not ready because guess what? As a woman, you should know the situation of how relationship work. Hold on, let's be a devil advocate. Okay, that's what me call it good. Alright, listen here now. Apparently you claims that Alicia Kim do something to Boo. To Maki. Chuck, I forgot about the boobies. To Maki. What really can you say about what happened? You can't say nothing what happened because you don't know. But yet still, you is going to use the same thing that Narry used on Kitta. You're going to use the same thing, the same words, nothing change. For Rumram the trucker. Just because Rumram the trucker call you to the front of the class. You see how hypocritical he is, a hypocrite. And not a small hypocrite, he is a dirty hypocrite too. Guys, I go on the road, yeah. You see that? I that I go on the road, guys. Yeah, man, I that I go on the road. Rough out there. Only rain and fog. All you can see way down the street there. But guys, that is what I go on, and that's why I'm telling you this, you know. And to all of the people out there where is on the always I say oh the Drunkertown is right and Drunkertown correct. I'm glad that right in front of your face you are seeing that Drunkertown is a menace to society. The whole of them. The whole of them is just alike. The whole of them is the same. Yeah. This whole of them is the same. You know, but guys, here we go on. Let me see what me there on this. Alright. So guys, right now, we go cut this video here. No. Should I cut it? Let me see. Hold on a little bit. Let me put a little bit of this more in it. Jackie, when I listen to you, you say you have woolly can't say. Where all those things come from? Where you get them from? Eh? Where you get them from? And you also say that the trucker know what go on a long time with Kitta. So tell me something now. What? You know where trucker know I go on with Kitta. So you listen to me. This is why me I tell all of you say the whole of you are hypocrite. Whole of you are hypocrite. You just not like see how Alicia Kim AK I live. You just not love it. You just not love the prosperity. You same one is just like Maki. You did want to see her back at Jamaica because you believe say because she get a visa because she married to Maki. You believe say our life should be stuck in a narcissist, manipulation, control environment. But no, AK, and that's how you go, AK. And listen me good too. Hey, God is the greatest, you know. Remember me telling you, God is the greatest. Remember say, we always are right and I tell you this, you know. In all comment we always are right and I say, God and time. That's one thing me believe in, you know. God and time. Time is the master. Yes. And see it? Nothing never happened before its time. Nothing never happened before its time. This is the right time for what happen and we fight against myself. Before me go, I want to have a small dialogue with Kitta. Kitta, I know you're not going to hear this because you delete your channel. But I have to say this to you. Them have a saying, they say which part here and there and put razor. And which part here and there and put razor, cause if no here and there and you put razor there, it not go cut. No here, it a go cut your kin or your skin. I mean, I know you come from Guyana, so I don't know if you know what that means. But what it really mean is you shouldn't go over there, because all them did a plan for you to do is to make money out of you, and then make as much money out of you, chew you up like chewing gum and pit you out too. Guess to who? Then spit you out to who? Guess to who? Then spit you out to society. And you know how society work. So society will drag you from now till the morning. Because you know, use your senses. And by the way, before I go, Rumram did crown your queen, Kitta. Yeah, man, Rumram did crown your queen of YouTube. I wonder you're queen of one now. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know. Until the next video, me gone, yeah, man. Me gone. I will see you now. I'm out.